Hey everyone, welcome to the Eczema channel. Very quickly, I just want to answer this question. How do you heal eczema naturally? Well, firstly, you need to know that eczema is not really what's wrong with you. Eczema is not really the diagnosis of what's gone wrong in your body. This is just a description that describes your rash. And that rash could have come from a multitude of causes. So if you want to heal eczema naturally, you first have to discover what has gone wrong inside of your body to cause you to develop this rash in the first place. Once you've done that, you can then focus your attention on putting that right, instead of just shooting in the dark and trying all these different things. So you need to find out what's caused you to get the rash and then focus on putting that right. If you want to discover more about this and you need help doing this, I have developed a program that can help you do exactly that. If you go through the program, you will finally understand why you've got eczema in the first place, how you got trapped in it, and what you need to do to get out of it. So click the link below and find out more, and I'll see you in the next video.